Hot damn, I'm live. Welcome, everybody. What we're going to do right now is rate these gamer gloves. All right. First and foremost, I measured my hands and went. And I'm a craftsman, so I'm pretty meticulous about my measuring, and went exactly by the guidelines of the fit chart. I was like a quarter inch over the medium size. Ooh. Ooh, they feel snazzy. Got a real cool texture, and I feel like I could just beat the shit out of somebody with one of these. Like I even feel faster. Alright. But I do feel like I probably should have got a medium. They're not baggy, they're not loose, but I feel like I got a little extra skin on me. And like I said, I was just above the size medium in their little chart. So, let's see how these things work out. Well, using my mouse, okay, I got one of these guys, all right? I can tell right now, I don't know that I could use the little buttons on the side. Use this guy, and let's see how it looks. I feel like that deserves a little more. All controller that I'm used to playing with a controller, not something I'm used to playing with a mouse. But I can tell you right now, Goday, cannot use this thing with this thing. But there's actually, you got a lot of feeling in your fingers. Very nice. See how it works with a phone. Yeah!
Okay, wait, do it. Don't.
There we go.
Yep, okay. It's literally just random.
Play a little bit of this.
He's like, oh god, and you really.
Alright. They don't feel bad. Like I can feel the paddles. That feels okay. I'm okay. They're not bad. Let's play a match. Let's play a match. Still feels a little odd.
Don't spend all that ammo.
Oh! Yeah, baby. I got glued up. Ooh, boy, that guy sucks. Guy wasn't all that good either.
You're in first place.
Oh, man. What an asshole. Oh, hope the Gamer Gloves guys aren't, listening to my potty mouth. Can't camp wearing these gloves. These are run and gun gloves. That guy shoot me. What's up, Max Fam? How's it going? It has been a long time. I'm rating these gamer gloves. As of right now, not bad. I don't notice the thing with the tips of my thumb on these because I'm not using. Okay, that was obviously somebody who don't know how to play the game. The hell just happened there?
One after another.
Come on, let me get the last kill.
A victory well executed.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Knox! 5.25 efficiency.
Yours alone.
8 kill streak. Multi 2. I don't know what that means. I'm going to say these things still work. Way to go, Gamer Gloves.